How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampy's Workshop. I'm so glad you dropped in. We have another little project on the MTD Gold lawn tractor. Yeah, yet another one. When I bought this tractor, it had no mower deck on it, but that was fine with me. I never plan on mowing lawns with this. So there was some paraphernalia on the tractor that I didn't need, like the lever that engages the mower deck. Well, I didn't need that, so I took that off. And also the lever on the side that raises and lowers the deck to adjust the height of cut. I didn't need that anymore either. Well, taking the lever off, you know, that engages the mower deck, that left a little hole in the dash. I'm going to deal with that later. But the one on the fender, on the right hand side of the seat, there was a big hole left there for where that lever was. So we're going to try and patch that hole today. That's what this episode's all about. So let's go see how we make out. So continuing some work here on our MTD. Because I have no deck on it, this is where the deck adjustment height lever used to go. We have this grill that goes over top of it, right? Well, I don't have a deck, so I don't need that adjustment. So what I've done is I've taken that out. I'm going to try and make a blank to go in here just to fill that hole. It's not going to be pretty, but just to fill it up. So I have some sheet metal here. I don't know what gauge that is. Not big. I don't know my gauges. Anyway, I sketched out here about a size that I would need, and now I'm trying to cut it, and it's not going all that great, I have to say. But we're going to muscle through it with the few muscles I have left. This doesn't have to be real neat, I don't think, because my plan is to put it under the mower deck. Okay, just round over these turns. Something like that. Now I'm going to take this and I'm just going to rub this on the, well, hammered out flat, I think, and then run it on the stone and try to soften up some of those edges, and then we'll start forming it up a little bit better. Okay, so there's my piece kind of roughly cut, and this was the adjustment bar that went in there that held the lever. So this is what I'm going to try to duplicate. So I need a bit of an arc in it. Okay, so let's go. I just bent that up a little bit just by hand, nothing like, it's not, I'm not making a panel here for a Corvette, right? So we're just going to take that over now and set it in the fender, see what it looks like. So there's my little piece, and this is where it's going to go. I want to put it underneath, so it's going to go in there like that. And the other piece that was held with two bolts here and here, so I think that might work here too if I just put a couple of holes in that. It might not be too bad. Could have been a little wider, I suppose. Wouldn't have hurt anything. But I think this will be alright. Alright, I'm going to get a marker and just mark out these two holes. That hole, that hole, that hole, and this hole right. Should move her down a little bit. There. So this hole, and this hole, this hole, and this hole. No, that doesn't look good either. Alright, let's try it again. Move that over. There. And there. this hole and this hole. This hole, oh, this hole, oops. It moved. This hole and this hole. So that's this one here, this one here, this one, and this one. Okay, I'm going to go drill some holes and then mount this and just see how I make out. I had kind of a wrestling match with that one, but... So there we are with our holes. I wish I had made it wider, but hey, I didn't. So we're just going to try this quick. Put the 2 bolts in here that are going to hold this in place. Something like that. And then these ones are going to come through to hold the grill on the top. So yeah. So now I'm going to sand this, clean it up, sand it, and then paint it. And we'll stick that in there. So working on this little business of getting rid of the deck leveling mechanism, I just cut out this blank, painted black. Now we're going to go install it. Well, we're in town today and got some mail, my weekly trip. And I always love getting mail at Grampy's Workshop. Anyway, I got this card from Luke from Orange is My New Green, and look, Luke even sent it on orange paper. Had boy Luke, telling you. Anyways, Luke says, "Hi Mike, thanks again for the stickers. I had these ones made up at a local shop in Ottawa. Thanks a lot for your channel support, and take care." And here it is, Luke from Orange is My New Green. Nice sticker, Luke, and I really like the orange card. But Luke has a nice channel. I'd check him out if I were you. I'll put the link down below. But Luke has a little John Deere garden tractor, but then he upgraded and bought himself a Kubota BX23, I think it is, or 26, I'm not sure, I forget now. But he does lots of nice stuff. He's got a beautiful yard. I really like what Luke has done landscaping. He's got trails all through his property, and he puts street signs up on them. That's kind of neat. Anyways, check out Luke if you get a chance, and I think I'm going to stick Luke right here. We'll line him up. Put him right there. What do you think? Luke, buddy, you're on the wall. Thanks. Alright, so we're going to install that in here, that little plate I made. So this is the original 1A, remember it was here. And then that's the notches for the different spots that you could set your deck in. And because I don't have a deck anymore, I didn't need that, so I removed all that. This is not thick enough to have a thread in it, so I needed to get new bolts and nuts. So I have those here. So we're going to just install them, see how all this looks. Put it in here. And this one. How about that, eh? The holes even line up. look all that bad. Blocks that off now. So that didn't turn out too bad really. The paint job could have been a little bit better I think, but you know, you can't hardly see it. It's painted black and it's shadowy there where I put the grill cover back over it. So you can't hardly see that. And the lever is gone, so no more catching on that lever when I'm getting on and off the tractor. And that was a big plus because you know, that was in the way a lot of times. And since I don't need the mower deck anymore, that lever, I didn't need it, so it's gone. And she's all patched up and it's starting to look pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. There's lots of videos about my MTD Tractor, as you're discovering, and there's lots of other stuff on my channel too, so please feel free to go back, search through playlists and old videos, and you know, maybe have a binge watch episode on Grampy's Workshop. And if you're new to the channel, thanks a lot for dropping by. I'm sure glad you're here, and I hope you leave me a comment, tell me a little bit about what's going on in your world, because we can exchange some ideas and we can both gain from that, and that's what it's all about. I hope everybody's having a great week. I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're having fun in your shop, and we'll talk to you.